A homeowner's net worth is 40 times greater than a renter's. Hey, it's Preston Davenport with Metro Brokers Florida, the local realtor here in Windermere. One of the best ways to build your financial future is through home ownership. Recent data from the Federal Reserve indicates a net worth of homeowners is actually over 40 times greater than that of a renter. Maybe it's time to start thinking about buying a home. Every 3 years, the survey of consumer finances show the breakdown of how owning a home helps build financial security. In the graph, we see that the average net worth of homeowners continues to grow, while the net worth of renters tend to hold fairly steady and be significantly lower than that of homeowners. The gap between owning and renting just keeps getting wider over the time, making homeownership more and more desirable for those who are ready. Owning a home is a great way to build family wealth. For many families, homeownership serves as a form of forced savings every time you pay your mortgage, contributing to your net worth by increasing the equity of your home. The impact of home equity is part of why Gallup reports that Americans pick real estate as the best long-term investment for the 7th year in a row. According to this year's survey, 35% of Americans chose real estate over stock, savings accounts, gold, and bonuses. Today, there are great opportunities available for those planning to buy a home. The housing market has made a full recovery, and all-time low interest rates are giving home buyers a big boost in purchasing power. If you're ready, buying a home this fall can set you up to increase your net worth and create a safety net for you and your family's future. To learn how you can use your monthly housing costs to build your family's net worth, reach out to me and let's have a conversation, and we can walk you through the steps and start growing your net worth.